Welcome to the Designing the Row Squarespace store setup series. This is just one video of many where I teach you how to set up your Squarespace store from start to finish. I'm Catherine Forbes, founder of Designing the Row, and I'm also a Squarespace expert, Squarespace authorized trainer, and Squarespace circle member. So if you are looking for help building your Squarespace website, you've come to the right place. If you are setting up a store on your Squarespace website and you're trying to add in the weight of your product, so you can set up shipping by weight, but it's only giving you the option to put in pounds and you want to put in kilograms, I'm going to show you how to make that switch. It's super quick and easy, but not exactly that obvious. So if you, obviously once you're logged into your website, come into settings and then language and region. And once you are on this screen, all you have to do is change your measurement standard down here to metric. And once you make that change, hit save, and then you are good to go. And you can now add product weights as kilograms. If this video tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and if you have any further questions, you can leave them for me in the comments. And as this is a series, I will leave the next video for you right here. And don't forget that over at designingtherow.com, I have more tips and resources on how you can build and grow your online presence.